Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Akhilesh and I'm a ServiceNow expert. In today's video, we will discuss a common use case in ServiceNow. So the use case is sometimes when support agents are working on records like incidents, they accidentally begin editing tickets that are not assigned to them. So which can lead to a confusion or accidental updates. So to avoid this issue, let's write a script that shows a alert message when the logged in user is not the assigned person for a particular record. To achieve this, onLoad client script is the best option. Why we are going for onLoad? So we need something that runs as soon as the form loads, checks the current user's identity, and shows a pop-up if they are not the assigned person. That's exactly where onLoad client script shines. So let's get started. Go to all in the application navigator. In the filter navigator, type client scripts, and under the system definition, you will see client scripts. Click on that and click on new to create a new onLoad client script and give the name as assigned user is not logged in user. Select the table as incident and select the UI type as all and the type as onLoad as we are writing onLoad client script, and give the description as alert the user if they are not the assigned person for the particular record. Now it's time to write a script. First, I will fetch the value of assigned to and I will store it in a variable. So for that, I will create a variable as var assigned to equal to g underscore form dot get value, and I will give the backend field name assigned to. So this basically gets the value of assigned to field and it will store it in a variable assigned to. Now I want to get the current logged in user ID and I want to store it in a variable. So I will create a variable where current user equal to g underscore dot user ID. So this g underscore user dot user ID will get the current logged in user ID and it will store in the variable current user. Now I will write a if condition to check assigned to is not empty and the assigned to is not the current user. Then I will write an alert message, you are not assigned to this particular incident. Please be cautious while making any updates. So we have finished the script and click on submit to submit this client script. Now it is time to test the script. So to type the script, open incident record. So to open any incident record, go to all, type incident and click on all under the incidents. Now open any incident record where the assigned to is not empty and the assigned to is different user. Now you will see a pop-up. You are not assigned to this incident. Please be cautious while making any updates. That means our script is working properly. And that's it. You have successfully created a onLoad client script in ServiceNow to guide users and prevent accidental updates on records that they don't own. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more ServiceNow development tips.